What is up, guys? It's Keyman Bro, and today we're going to be looking at the fire alarm pull station. Literally just came in the post about 10-15 minutes ago. So this is the first one in my collection at the moment. I am planning to get some more different ones, and I'll be showing them on my YouTube channel. At the moment I've just got it mocked up on my door, but we're going to have a pull. I'll show you how to reset it. I'm not sure what number this is or like what model, but it's just like a cheap one. I thought it's like 20 quid, something like that. So it comes with 2 keys to reset it. So it has braille and stuff inside. I'm sure what braille is, but yeah. So to pull it, it says push down, push in, then pull down. So here we go. That's that pulled. To reset it, use our keys to unlock it. And just grab the side, pull it open, click this little switch, shut it and lock it up. Then that's that done. Show you one more time. Push in, push down, turn the key, open it, reset the switch, then lock it up. Yeah, that's all the inside. I don't know if that's supposed to be like moving like that or what. Just a little micro switch on and off. That's just a wiring box sort of thing. So yeah, it isn't hooked up to like a siren or anything. There's actually no wires on this whatsoever. I just thought I'd just go so I can show you. So I will end up putting a siren and other stuff on this as well. But until then, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will try and leave a link in this in the description if you want to know anything. If you want any other videos or different fire alarms, let me know. Go check out my other videos on how to change batteries and keys, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed it, and peace.